Every company on earth, if it's conventional, is capitalized on money markets. The money markets return about 3% a year. That's the conventional finance strategy. But if you were to capitalize on Bitcoin, you'd be returning 47% a year. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that if the cost of capital or the hurdle rate is 14%, that's the S&P index, then any company capitalized on money markets is destroying shareholder value as they accumulate capital. But any company capitalized on Bitcoin is increasing or creating shareholder value.